Welcome to this demo video. Today we're going to show you how to generate a course using Collow's AI Course Creator. We start by determining the source of our course. We can let AI generate the full course for us, or we can use our connected knowledge base, for example with Google Drive, SharePoint, or Confluence connected, enriched with the LLM's knowledge. Or we can choose to use only the knowledge base to generate the course to stay as close to your source material as possible. Or we can use the PDF upload feature to simply transform one PDF into a full e-learning course. For this demo, we will go for AI only, and we will allow the course creator to use web search for more up-to-date context. We can add preferred URLs of websites that we deem relevant. For example, your organization's documentation website, but for now we'll just leave it blank. Let's say we want to generate a course about information security and ISO. The experience level is beginner, and the course should take 2 hours. For now, we will say that the target audience is for new employees. The system detects that we are prompting in English, although we can generate in any desired language. For now, we'll generate the course in English, and although the subject is about information security, we don't want a technical course, but a general course. Now we can insert our learning goals. In this step, you could, for example, use Bloom's taxonomy to describe different learning goals associated with different levels of knowledge, and now we let the AI generate our course outline. First, it will give us a structure of how it suggests to generate this course. We can have a preview, we can manually edit it, or we can decide to refine with AI. We could prompt it to refine the first section to purely focus on the key terminologies before diving into ISO. Then we continue to our section generation, where the AI will populate all of our sections with a lesson plan. Again, we can jump in to let the AI refine, rewrite, or edit ourselves. When we are satisfied with our course outline and our lesson plan, we continue to the editor where the AI will generate our full e-learning course starting with the lesson generation. Here we can see our full lesson being generated. First, the AI writes the lesson text, before analyzing the lesson content for any visual aids that it will then generate. After analyzing the lesson, an infographic was generated to support the content. As we can see, it's a bit of a text-heavy visual, but we'll see that the more practical the topic of your course is, the more visual your infographic is. After the lesson and visual are generated, the AI also generates 3 quiz questions, which we can then preview or decide to edit, delete, or move upwards or downwards. We generate several question types: multiple choice, drag and drop, and putting the elements in the right order. We can also choose to create a new question before moving on to the next lesson. For the next lesson, we can also see that the lesson, infographic, and quiz have been generated. The AI continues to generate our entire course using this same structure. The course is now fully generated with each section populated with lessons, images, and quizzes. For each lesson, we can decide to edit the lesson within the course creator or let AI refine the lesson. We could, for example, say add practical exercises. And when we are completely satisfied with how our course looks, we click on Continue to Export. And then in this final step, we can upload our course to the Moodle Learning Management System. By doing that, the course will be transferred to your e-learning environment, which we will show in a minute. Alternatively, you can also download the raw JSON file to pass it to any other learning management system, or download the SCORM package so that the course can be uploaded to any learning management system that is compliant with SCORM. Our course is now uploaded to Moodle. Let's switch to Moodle to see our course in the e-learning platform. We can see that the course that we just generated is now uploaded to Moodle. When we go to our first lesson, we see the content that was just being generated. And after reading this lesson, we can go to the quiz. We can take the quiz to test what we have learned from the lesson. After the quiz, we can review our results and read the feedback before we continue to the next lesson. So that's how students follow our generated course. One of the benefits of uploading our course to Moodle is that it's always easily editable, and it can always be extended with further resources or interactive content, like assignments, a workshop or a forum, or any other type of learning content. Thanks for watching, and good luck crafting your e-learning courses.